guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got the iPhone 15 in blue and iPhone 15 Plus in yellow. But that's not it. I also managed to get hold of the iPhone 15 in pink and the iPhone 15 Plus in the green. So I've got all the colors, great new tech, new ports, new design, some great things to unbox. So let's get right into it. Starting with the 15, I've got the blue and the pink. You also get the green and the yellow. Put this to one side. Great little box. Get these fired up. So, Apple has introduced a dynamic island on these phones. So that is something I am excited about. Oh wow. So this is the pink color, and let me tell you something, it's not as pink as you might have thought. It is more pale, so it's like barely pink, but it does look nice. And you've got an infused back glass here, and let's just take this off. Looking sweet, looking great. Put this to one side, and you have the booklet, pin adapter, all the warranty, and a white Apple sticker, so you don't get a color matching Apple sticker here. And then finally, the cable that we've all been waiting for. A couple of improvements in this cable. First of all, you'll notice that it's USB-C on both ends, so it's not Lightning to USB-C. And the other best thing about this is that it's braided, which should, in theory, be a lot stronger than the plastic or the previous Apple cables. When there was a rumor about the cables color matching the iPhones, but I always thought that's going to be weird because the power break that you're going to have is always going to be white, and that's just not going to look correct. So I'm glad Apple stayed with the white. So that is your pink iPhone 15. And we're going to look at the blue one now. So you have the same sort of thing. You have the booklet in here and the USB-C cable. Now this is a really nice color. Again, you know, the color is barely blue. I mean, it feels nice on the side. It's not slippery. I do like the texture, and the texture in the back feels a lot better. You can definitely hold on to it. It feels more grippy compared to the previous iPhone, which was glass, so it was more slippery in the hands. Wow. And now you have the 15 Plus in yellow and green. Again, you get a pink one and a blue one, and it's identical to the 15 apart from the screen size. A lot bigger phone, so it'll look a lot nicer, but exactly the same. The actual sheer size of the iPhone 15 Plus does make it feel just more, you know, it feels like you actually got a really good phone, you know. The smaller version does feel good, but looking at the bigger version, I can only imagine what the Pro Max is going to look like. Okay, this is fantastic. Again, it's green, but it's more pale green. And if you look at this one probably looks like it's white in the camera, but it's really pale pink. And what you also notice is the Apple logo is also yellow. The glass here is infused, so that's actually yellow. The camera circles, pieces here are yellow, so really nice attention to detail. Something else to highlight, if you notice closely, even the text and the charging symbol and all these symbols on your left all are color matched to the iPhone. So you have yellow for the yellow iPhone and green for the green iPhone. '15 and 15 Plus in all the colors. First unboxing on here. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I will be unboxing the 15 Pro Max in all the colors, so make sure to tune back in. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite color and which models are you going to get. I actually like these summer colors, and I'm really into the pastel colors, so these colors really look nice. But I have to tell you, the texture of this phone feels fantastic. I mean, I prefer this compared to the previous iPhone. It's just less slippery, and the side, I think this is like the perfect design in terms of what we've had previously. I'm glad Apple finally implemented USB-C. Yes, they were forced by the EU, but this is something that we all wanted, and it's really, really exciting times, you know, saving cables, and it's just a great looking phone now. Let me know again in the comments below, what's your favorite color?